This is a quick tutorial about how easy it is to sign up for the HSI Virtual Career Expo. After you have logged into your Handshake account using your ABC123, click on the Events tab. From there, click on the category and select Career Fair. View the results and go ahead and click on the Spring 2023 Hispanic-Serving Institutions HSI Virtual Career Expo. Once you are in there, click on Register to RSVP for the event. However, you are not done yet. You still need to sign up for employer sessions, so click on View Employer Sessions. You will be able to see all the employees attending this event and pick which ones best fit you. For freshmen and sophomores, we recommend attending group sessions to learn about the company. Boston Teacher Residency has 2 group sessions, one at 11 a.m. and one at 3:30 p.m. I am going to RSVP for the 11 a.m. group session. You would just click on the link and confirm. For juniors and seniors, especially if you're actively looking for an internship or a full-time job, we recommend attending one-on-one sessions. Southwest Research Institute has one one-on-one session. Click here and pick a time slot that works best for you, then confirm. You can scroll to the top and view your schedule and see all the sessions you have signed up for. Continue to build out your schedule and make sure you have an updated resume on Handshake, and you're ready to meet the company representatives virtually. There are over 250 employers who want to recruit you. Take advantage of this opportunity, good luck, and reach out to the Career Center if you have any questions.